In this lesson, we're going to learn kupu or terms for the supermarket. Before we get into it, I'd like to teach the word horopaki. Horopaki means context. So, let's go to the supermarket and learn terms pertaining to that horopaki. The word for supermarket is hupamaketi. A trolley is called a tō neke. Tō is to drag and neke is to move. So it means to move a lot of things around by dragging. At the start of most supermarkets, you'll find the fresh produce, our huawhenua and huarako we learnt in previous lessons. After the huawhenua and huarako, we have our kaimoana, our seafood, and meaty is meat. The aisles are called kauhanganui. Kauhanganui is also the term for hallway or corridor. The shelves are called whata or whatakai. It's a traditional term used for our old storehouses, but we don't use those anymore, so we broaden the meaning of the term and it's now used for shelves. Kind of like the term waka. It was once our term for canoe, but now used for everything that transports us. Anyway, I digress. I won't go through all of the types of kai in the kauhanganui, but here are some. Packaging is called pakete. Kene is canned or canned food. Pātara is bottle. Rare is confectionery. Snacks are ōkaka. Dairy products are hua miraka, which literally translates to products from milk. We've collected all of our kai. Time now to go to the checkout or pai utu. Hope you enjoyed this lesson at the supermarket or hupamaketi.